subject to printing, will be releasing on Monday the first 120 days. My first 120 days in the I hope hindi walang sabutahe ito, no? The title is Reforms. Kahit na apat na buwan pa lang ho, you will see in that report what we have done. I think in this room, maybe 50%, I know 50% of you, and I have visited your places. I want to discuss first with you yung kasi sabi kasi ni Tupasin kanina na may dialogue pa mamaya. Sasabihin ko na lang lahat kasi uwi na naman ako right after my speech you know what, last Friday I was in Ligao, Albay. I thought, yeah, correct, Ligao, Albay. Tapos last Saturday I was in Naga City. Last Sunday, I was in Puerto Princesa until yesterday. In Puerto Princesa, for example, I noticed one big dam construction. I noticed that the manner that the PERD CPM was constructed and approved by NIA personnel. Imagine, after 7 months, wala pang 2% ang nakalagay sa PERD CPM. Sino ba naman ang gagawa ng per CPM na 7 months ka na, wala pang 2%? So what I did was to call up engineering, si Lilia and si Dexter, si regional manager Dexter. You know what, the following day, they were already with me in, meaning yesterday, they were with me in Puerto Princesa. At 9 o'clock this morning, they were talking already with the contractors and the subcontractors and everybody. Sabi ni Dexter sa akin, sir, pasensya ka na, pero magle-lecture ako. There's something wrong dito sa dam construction. Sabi. It's good that they were just starting. I think they will get a lot from the experiences of Dexter. Now, Saril pa, search for possible regional managers